Good afternoon, sir. My name is Vincent Trujillo from BSINT major in Mechanical Technology, Section 3A, and this is my midterm exam video for the subject Ethics. The question is, Senator Bato de la Rosa put forth a bill that would have made plunder punishable by death to penalize corrupt public officials. Should the Philippine government permit this to become a law? Explain. My answer is, the Philippine government should not allow plunder to be punishable by death because taking life violates human dignity, injustice, and it goes against God's command to treasure life. In the Bible verse Exodus 20 verse 13, thou shalt not kill. It reminded us that only God has the authority to give and take life, and that justice should be guided by mercy and respect for human worth. Question number 2. Should same-sex unions be made legal in our nation so that the LGBT community can have the freedom to be with whoever they choose to love? Justify your moral judgment on the matter. My answer is, same-sex union should not be legalized because marriage is created by God for male and female. In the Bible verse Genesis chapter 2 verse 24, the man should leave his mother and father and to be with his wife, and the two shall become one flesh. The teaching is God's design for love and family is only rooted for the union of male and female. That's all, sir, and thank you.